Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to know if my Instagram account is verified. To easily recognize if our account is verified, we will see if we have a blue badge or check mark next to our username. If it is not, you can go to the Edit Profile option and then show your profile is verified to start the process if you meet the requirements. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.